Shimoki. Shimoki. Shimoki is mean second half of the year or second half of the fiscal year. The kanji shimo is mean the lower or the below, and the kanji ki is mean the periods or the distance for between 2 points. So in here, when we put the kanji mean the lower or the lower point with the kanji of the distance or the period of the time. So it can be mean second half of the year. And in here we have the example like this. Shimoki no uriage wa ikura desu ka? Shimoki no uriage wa ikura desu ka? What are the sales for the second half of the year? What are the sales for the second half of the year? In here, shimoki is mean second half of the year. That means we divide the year to be 2 parts, the second half of the year and the first half of the year. So in here, shimoki is mean the second half of the year. So it may be, we will count about in July, right? In July, 8 until December. So we call shimoki. And uriage. Uriage is mean the sales or the amount of the money, of the amount of the money that you can sell your products in the second half of the year. Ikura. Ikura is mean how much or how many. So in this sentence it means that how much about the sale of the second half of the year. Or it can be mean that we from July to December. In that period, how much of the sale will can be happen. So this sentence is mean shimoki no uriage wa ikura desu ka? It means how much is the sale for the second half of the year, or what are the sales for the second half of the year. Kazashimo. Kazashimo. Kazashimo is mean downwind. Downwind. The first kanji kaza. This kanji mean the wind. Or you can, if you just say this kanji, you can say like kaze, right? Kaze is mean the wind. And the second kanji, shimo. Shimo is mean down or the lower or under. So this means the down. And when we put with the kaze, this means the downwind. So in here they call kazashimo is mean the downwind. And in here we have the sentence like Fune wa kazashimo e nagasaremasu. Fune wa kazashimo e nagasaremasu. This means the ship makes leeway. The ship makes leeway. Fune. Fune is mean ship or the ship. And kazashimo is mean the downwind or the leeway. And nagasaremasu or nagasare is mean something that go with something. saremasu is mean the wave, right? Naga saremasu is mean the wave, or is mean the wave of the water, the weight of the wind. Or in here, naga saremasu is mean is the weight of the water, like the stream, right? You just said naga saremasu is mean the stream. So in here they say fune wa kazashimo e nagasaremasu. It means the ship go with in the way of the downwind, right? The ship go with the direction of the downwind, or we can say like the ship makes leeway, as you see here. Kudasu. Kudasu is mean to make or make the decision. As you see here, we have the sentence like Joshi wa buka e meilei o kudashimasu. Joshi wa buka e meilei o kudashimasu. Mean the boss gives orders to the subordinates. The boss gives orders to the subordinates. In here, Joshi. Joshi is mean the boss or the manager. And buka is mean the subordinate or the person that work with you with the lower position. For example, you are the manager, so buka is mean is not the manager, but is the person who work with you under your control. And meilei is mean the orders or the commands. Kudasu is mean make the decision or put or say something, or you order or you give. In here we translate to be give orders. Kudasu is mean something that you decide from your mind or from your opinion, and you put that thing to another way. In here you make the orders, right? Or you make the comment to your subordinates or to your worker. So we use kudashimasu. That means you already decide to do that. So you can say kudashimasu. Meilei o kudashimasu, which means give the orders for your subordinates. Shitagi. Shitagi mean underwear. The word, the kanji shita is mean the lower or under, right? So, or down. So in here, shita is mean under, and gi, the kanji of gi is from the kanji of kiku. Kiku is mean wear. So when you wear something, so you can use kiku or kikimasu. So in here we use the kanji of mean wear and the kanji of mean under. So it can be mean underwear. So shitagi is mean underwear. And in here we have the sentence like Kore wa dansei yo shitagi desu. Kore wa dansei yo shitagi desu. Dansei is mean men. Yo is mean for. And shitagi is mean underwear. So you can be like underwear for men. Kore is mean this is, right? So this is the underwear for men. Kore wa dansei yo shitagi desu. If you want to say this is the underwear for women, you can say like Kore wa 女性用下着です。これは女性用下着です。This means this is the underwear for women. 女性 is mean women. So when you use with the 用下着, this means the underwear for women. Or you can say like the underwear for the children. You can say 子供用下着です。子供用下着です。子供 is mean the children, and 用 is mean for, and 下着 is mean for underwear. So we say 子供用下着です which mean the underwear for children. 下げる下げる下げる is mean lower or to reduce. As you know that the kanji of 下げる is mean to put something down or the down direction. So anything we use this kanji is mean put something down. So in here we also use with to make something lower or reduce. And in here we have the sentence like 物価を下げます。物価を下げます。which mean bring down the price. 物価 is mean the price, and 下げます is mean bring down or reduce the price. 物価 is mean the price of everything. For example, about the food, about the thing that you use in dairy. For example, motorbike, right? Or vehicle, or TV. Anything about the thing that you use in everyday, they can call to be like buka. So buka is represent for anything. And in here, buka o sagemasu is mean the price of everything to get down. So buka o sagemasu is mean bring down the price. 降りる降りる降りる is mean to descend or to go down. In here we have the example like 今から山を降ります。今から山を降ります。which mean from now on we will go down the mountain. From now on we will go down the mountain. 今から is mean from now on. 山 is mean the mountain. And 降ります is mean go down. So in here we can translate like from now on we will go down the mountain. 今から山を降ります。And you can use with another sentence like 車を降ります。車を降ります。Kuruma is mean the car. So when you want to get out the car, or even want to take off the car, you can say 車を降ります。バスを降ります。Bus is mean bus. But in Japanese they also call バス。バスを降ります。車を降ります。山を降ります。But for the yama or orima is mean go down the mountain. But kuruma or bus is mean you get off the car or you get off the bus. 下ろす下ろす下ろす is mean drop or to lower. In here we have 旗を下ろします。旗を下ろします。 mean lower the fret. Hata is mean the fret, and oroshima is mean to drop or to lower. That means you want to lower a fret or to get the fret down. So you can say hata o oroshimasu. Tanaka-san wa hata o oroshitemasu. Tanaka-san wa hata o oroshitemasu. It means Mr. Tanaka is getting the fret down or is lowering a fret down. Or you can say oroshimasu, which means if you take your friends and you go to some place by car, and on the way you can take your friends on the way that is not already at the destination, but sometimes your friends want to go to shopping on the way. So you in the case you can use oroshimasu. Tochu de oroshimasu. Tochu de oroshimasu is mean get out of the car on the way, in the middle on the way. It's not the destination, but just middle way. You can use oroshimasu. Or you can say like koko de oroshite kudasai. Koko de oroshite kudasai, which means please get me out of the car at here. Please let me get out of the car at here. Koko de oroshite kudasai. That means please stop here and I will get out. I will get off the car. Nesage. Nesage. Nesage is mean cut in price. Ne. The word ne is from the kanji of nedang or atai. Atai is mean the number or the value. Atai is mean the value or the number. So sage is mean getting down or bring down. So ne sage is mean put the price down or bring the price down or cut in price. And in here we have the sentence like sore wa ne sage saremashita. Sore wa ne sage saremashita. That means the price of that first drop. The price of that first drop. Sore wa ne sage saremashita.